Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we change guys phone sleep time in our Oppo phone device. Friends, we want to change guys your phone sleep time settings. So friends, how can you change it? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we change phone sleep time in Oppo phone device. Friends, you don't know, so friends you can watching this video, then guys you can change your phone sleep time. Friends, open your phone display and brightness, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see auto screen of setting guys. We will tap here. So guys we will change phone sleep time from here. So example for guys I will change into guys the 30 second, and friends come back. So guys we will have to wait for only 30 second. After that 30 second guys phone will sleep automatic. I wait and watch. So I'm going to pause video for guys 10 second. So friends, now continue. Friends, you can see guys phone is going to sleep. So like that guys, you can change phone sleep time and you can use it. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.